Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a special function to fill your blanks without dragging or else copy pasting. Now have a look at the screen. There are employees here and they have sold different products. So these quantities which are highlighted in yellow are relevant to Marty and he has sold product A. So like that, these results which are highlighted in red are relevant to Windy here. So now if you want to get Marty's name in all these blank cells and also product A in these blank cells and get Windy's name and product B here, what you can do is without copy pasting or else dragging, you can do simply like this. So in order to do this, make sure you select this first cell here which is A3, then press Ctrl A here, then go to find and select, then select go to special. Now go to blanks here and click OK. Now you can see all the blanks are being selected. Then what you should do is press equal, then select this cell A3, then without pressing enter key, what you have to do is press Ctrl and enter. Now you can see all the blanks are filled without copy pasting or else dragging. So make use of this trick whenever you need it. Bye. Thank you.